Have you ever heard the saying, "Don't believe everything you see on the internet"? Well, in today's video, we're putting that saying to the test. HyperVerse was a cryptocurrency investment scheme that marketed itself as a metaverse project. It was owned by a parent company called Hypertech Group, which was founded by Sam Lee and Ryan Shu. Both Lee and Shu previously ran another crypto company called Blockchain Global that went bankrupt, owing creditors $58 million. In 2021, HyperVerse introduced a supposed CEO named Steven Reece Lewis. He was touted in promotional videos as having an impressive background, including selling a company to Adobe, working for Goldman Sachs, and holding degrees from the University of Cambridge and Leeds. Major celebrities like Steve Wozniak, Chuck Norris, and Lance Bass also endorsed Lewis and expressed excitement about HyperVerse's metaverse plans. However, there is no evidence any of them actually met Lewis. It's speculated they may have been paid for cameo endorsements. Over time, doubts emerged about whether Steven Reece Lewis was a real person, as he had virtually no online presence or verified credentials. In 2022, investigations by journalists found no records validating his background. The universities have no record of him, Goldman Sachs and Adobe never employed him, and he has no verified social media accounts. Despite the questionable leadership, HyperVerse was able to raise millions from investors, likely aided by the celebrity endorsements. But eventually, HyperVerse suspended withdrawals when accused of being a pyramid scheme. Analysis found it caused $1.3 billion in investor losses in 2022. When questioned, Sam Lee disputed claims about his founding HyperVerse but would not confirm details on Steven Reece Lewis. Most evidence now suggests Lewis was a fictitious CEO invented to promote HyperVerse and lend it credibility it did not deserve. Thousands of customers were defrauded in the process before the sham collapsed. And there you have it, folks, the unbelievably brazen story of how the HyperVerse crypto hedge fund scammed millions out of investors while being led by an imaginary CEO. This whole incident just shows that the cryptocurrency space still has some growing up to do when it comes to transparency and preventing fraud. The lack of regulation around crypto hedge funds enabled HyperVerse to get away with outright fabricating a CEO to pump up their business. And celebrities just lent their star power without doing any fact-checking. While crypto holds amazing potential, cases like these hurt its reputation with the public and financial authorities. More oversight would help, whether it's audits, identity verification requirements for executives, or clamping down on misleading celebrity endorsements. The cryptosphere needs accountability if mainstream adoption is ever going to happen. For customers, the lesson is, do your own research before investing, even when big-name backers are attached. Make sure the leaders and operations can stand up to scrutiny. And as always, don't put in more money than you can afford to lose in a risky market like this. The good news is HyperVerse didn't get away scot-free. Legal repercussions and lawsuits are mounting. I'm hopeful cases like this urge crypto hedge funds to clean up their act fast. But only time will tell if regulations catch up to fraud innovations in this modern gold rush. Let me know what you think. Can crypto avoid more scams like this in the future? Or will it take some serious clampdowns? What should be done about bad actors? Looking forward to reading your commentary on this hot issue. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons.